My name is Peter Sevin, and I am an artisan blacksmith. I produce hand-forged ironwork of all kinds, from small items like nails and belt buckles up to big gates. And I use traditional tools for the most part, and have a wide variety of work I've done. I got into the craft because I decided I wanted to do some work with my hands, and I had a good friend in New Mexico who had taken this up and became very interested in this. I found I was very fortunate in meeting an older man who helped me along quite a bit, kind of pointed the way for me, helped me start this shop. Most of my tools over the years I've made. Some of the major machines I use, my hammers, my tongs, all my punches and chisels I've made myself. The tool that you use the most in a blacksmith shop is the anvil. It's pretty much the center of the work. I like using my hand hammers more than anything. And most of them are 30 years old, so to make something that far back and for it to be so well made, and the fact that I use it every day is really one of the reasons why I got into this craft. Well, the things I create most regularly are fireplace screens, table bases, door hardware, gates, railings, and very small items from nails up to belt buckles. A lot of my work comes from clients, and generally it starts out with an idea, something they want. I try to find out if they have any ideas about what they want. I'll do some very simple sketches for them, and generally that's just about all I need to do. They'll say yes or no, or I would like it to be more like this or more like that. And eventually we decide how it's going to be done. I start and I lay it out full size generally. Right now I'm working on a door to a house. It's a glass door. I'll probably have more than 200 hours in it. I've done other jobs that were more than that, and I have some jobs that only take me a day or so to do. I get great satisfaction out of working with your hands. I think that's something anyone would get satisfaction out of. And just generally working hard, you feel really good when you go home at the end of the day. I would say the best part of what I do is when I'm coming down the home stretch and I finish the job. And a lot of times I'll look at it and I'm not too sure that I've done it right, but generally, maybe even years down the road, I'll look at it and think, boy, that turned out pretty good.